guys, you're Alex Gamer. Actually, why always I forget Alex Gamer with Jordan Gamer. And today's video, I'm going to be opening only one pack. And this video will be boring because it's only one pack. I wish I had 2 packs or 4 maybe. I don't know, but it's Sun and Moon. It's from Sun and Moon. It looks like fake. I've got this. Must open up. Oh. Okay, I just got it. Let's put this there. Yes. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, let's open this up. Okay. And it's upside down. You guys will see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There's a red card at the end, and it's super strange. Okay, so. Ooh, and it's a palo sand. A palo sand. It's not that strong, but okay. A really peaty. My gosh. A Gyarados GX Full Art. Okay. Restore pretty good. Esteravia. Oricorio. Siligo. I have Inkai. Oh my gosh, guys. It's a legendary GX. GX. Guys. GX. Oh my gosh. 2 GXs. And 6 common cards. 2 GXs and 6 common cards. I wish I had an EX because I love the EX full arts and the GXs full art like this. I'll be right back. For now I have 4 GXs, a GX in my bag. So yeah. Just love it. It's like the best day of my life. getting GXs, it's like super duper. What the was that? So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Time for the new goodbye handshake. I'm gonna do them when I start the video handshakes. Let's start. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, it's real, and I know this handshake is ridiculous. I'm gonna do a new one, but not today. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.